Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Duppy Unalived my baby father. Full story. A lady called Raquel of Lionel Town, Clarendon, Jamaica, claims that a woman Duppy unalived her baby father. He died a few weeks before she gave birth to their daughter. It all started when they moved to a house in Hayes, Clarendon. A week after moving in, they were told previous families were forced to leave because the homeowner's ghost was haunting there. Her baby father began feeling ill shortly after. He started to feel pain in his chest. She spent nights rubbing his stomach and his back with warm water and olive oil. She had no idea what was really happening. She went to a Christian man, and he told her that the ghost is a short, slim-bodied lady that is not leaving him alone. Ever eat him, eat she eat with him. One day, her baby father saw a lizard and killed him. His condition worsened. He was admitted into the hospital, then died. She had a feeling that the ghost followed her baby father to the hospital. Even the nurses noticed that the spirit was there with him. They claimed that a lady was in the room with him, and from the day he was admitted, she hasn't left his side. A few other nurses claimed that every time they went in his room, the ghost pushed them out. She got a man to pray at the house before her baby father was admitted, and that man also became sick to the point that he had to be admitted into the hospital.
Like and follow for more.